On the construction site, you always need to have your important tools to hand. For example, the Lyra Dry Profi marker. Just click it out and you're ready to go. With the Lyra Dry Profi, you can effortlessly mark on all materials. Whether it's wood, metal, or smooth surfaces such as glass or ceramic, you can now master all your challenges. Fine lines? No problem. Quickly sharpen and mark cleanly. Every cut, perfect. An all-round pencil for all occasions. The Lyra Dry Profi.